Hello, I'm Fulvina. I'm from West Sumatra. I live in Padang City. Now, I want to talk about how to make of rendang. Do you know of rendang? Rendang, traditional food in Indonesia, and I will know food in international.
Ingredient of rendang: buffalo meat or beef, coconut cream, turmeric leaves, lemongrass, chili, lime leaves, galangal, ginger, red onion, white onion. Don't forget salt. I'm using Himalayan salt.
Let's try the steps of making it. The first, grind the spices. Put all the spices into the pan. Pour coconut cream. Stir until boiling 1 hour. And cook rendang using medium heat. Add sliced onion. Then add the meat. Stir up to 4 hours or 5 hours. Add salt to taste. Take a look. The rendang color change to brown. Wow, amazing! Our rendang is ready.